Hello everyone guys and welcome back to my channel. If you are new to this channel, here we have trading sessions together. I share with you my tips and tricks, how I trade and so much more useful information that you perhaps can implement in your own trading. Guys, don't forget that your support is super important, so don't forget to subscribe to this channel and of course leave a big thumbs up. All the essential information about our trading session today I'm going to tell you right now. So guys, today we are going to trade with you using strategy based on technical analysis, and to help with this technical analysis we are going to use Awesome Oscillator indicator. Guys, this indicator can tell us which volumes prevail on the market to increase or decrease. This information will help us when we are going to analyze the market. So guys, I will remind you how this indicator works. I already have it connected and all the settings are left by default. As you can see, the indicator consists of horizontal lines with a zero mark on different sides of which green and red histograms are formed, and the signal is the moment when the green histogram begins to form. This means that the volumes for the increase are growing and in the near future the price will move up. Accordingly, in a similar situation, we could open a deal up. Also, when, for example, a red histogram begins to form, it means that the volumes are growing downwards and in the near future the price will move down. In a similar situation, we could open a deal down. Also, of course, guys, don't forget about the levels of support and resistance. Also, pay attention to the general trading situation. Only competent combination of technical analysis and the indicator together will give us a good result. Okay guys, just be sure to watch this video till the end and you will be able to see and understand how I work with this indicator. So here we can see that there was a good confident uptrend. There's also resistance level at the top here. The price touched this level and there was a pullback down. The price got into the sideways movement. Also, we can see that at the moment a red histogram is being formed, volumes are getting lower. This means that the price will move down in the near future. In this situation, as just opening a deal for 1 minute to go down, it is more likely that in the near future the price will fall into the correction zone and a pullback will occur. We are already seeing that at the moment the price is moving down. We'll try to make money on this downward movement. I hope that 1 minute will be enough in this situation, and so guys, let's wait for the end of our deal. Great guys, as you can see the price has really continued to move down and we made a profit on this deal. We managed to work with you on this downward movement. As you can see, the indicator turned out to be right again and it really suggested us a good entry point, and the volumes really started to grow down and the price continued to move downward. So guys, I suggest that we continue and find another situation in the market. So guys, here we also have a resistance level. At the same time, we see that the price is pushed off and is moving down. I suggest that we immediately open a 1 minute deal here. It is more likely that the price will continue to move down. At the same time, I also see that red histograms are forming, volumes are getting lower. That is as if the indicator confirms our entry point, and a downward movement is expected in the near future. At the same time, we also see that the price has been moving down quite confidently lately. I hope that in this situation 1 minute will be quite enough. Right now we can see that the confident impulsive red candle has formed. Well, let's watch the price and wait for the end of our deal. Great guys, this is where we made a profit. We just in time worked on this downward movement. 1 minute was perfect for us in this case. Well, let's continue guys. So here we have a resistance level. I suggest that we immediately open a deal here for 1 minute up. Just at the moment we see that the price is already starting to go beyond the level, the resistance level is breaking through. At the same time we also see that the indicator confirms our entry point. A green histogram is formed. The volumes for the increase are growing. Perhaps I will get into the very impulsive moment of the price up, into the very breakout of the level. I hope that in this situation 1 minute will be quite enough, and we already see that the green candles continue to form. So guys, let's wait for the end of our deal. It's not bad, guys. As you can see, this level was indeed broken through and we made a profit here. We are just in time to work with you on this upward movement. Also, the indicator turned out to be right again. It correctly suggested us the further price movement. And guys, as you can see, the indicator works perfectly in combination of with technical analysis. And first of all, as you understand, we trying to find the working situation in the market, after which we pay attention to the indicator. We have a level of support down here. We see that the price is approaching our level for the third time. We open a deal for 1 minute to go down. As you can see, a confident impulsive red candle is starting to form at the moment. At the same time, the indicator confirms our entry point. A red histogram is being formed. Volumes are growing lower. This impulsive downward movement was triggered by the financial news. That is why this candle began to form confidently and very impulsively. But in any case, we'll try to make money on this downward movement, guys. I hope that in this situation 1 minute will be quite enough. And so, guys, let's wait for the end of our deal. Well, that's great, guys. As you can see, we are making a profit. I just got into the most impulsive downward movement of the price, into the very breakdown of the level. 1 minute was enough for us. Also, of course, after an impulsive downward movement, no less impulsive green candles begin to form. There is the price starts to return to its previous indicators again, guys. And after the news comes out, it's quite normal. So, guys, let's just continue. Here we can see that there was a good and confident uptrend. There is also a resistance level at the top. There was a downward pullback from this level, and after it, the price turned around and is approaching our level again. At the moment, there is some kind of compression. I suggest opening a deal here for 2 minutes up. It is more likely that the price will continue to move up. At the same time, we also see that at the moment the green histogram is beginning to form. Volumes are growing for an increase. I think that the price will continue to move up, and it is also quite possible that this level will be broken through since the price is moving quite slowly. I think 2 minutes will be totally enough. And so, guys, let's wait for the end of our deal. It's not bad, guys. As you can see, the price continued to move in the sideways and we made a profit here. We managed to work with you on this upward movement. At the same time, we also see that this level has not yet been broken through. At the moment, there is a certain level of compression. I think it will happen soon. Therefore, we can try to open the next deal here. At the same time, we also see that while the price is moving in the sideways, a red histogram is forming. But this doesn't mean that the price will move down in the near future. Therefore, I suggest opening a deal here for 2 minutes up. There is, as you understand, the indicator reacts to all price movements. Therefore, in the process of correction or in the process of rolling back down, a red histogram may form well. But in such situations, it is important to understand the general trading situation. I mentioned about this in the beginning of the video. We can't blindly trust the indicator. Only this combination will give us a good result. That's why, guys, first of all, we pay attention on the trading situation as a whole, and only then we pay on our indicator. That's this way, guys. If we combine these two things, we will be able to predict the further price movement. So, guys, let's wait for the end of our deal. It's not bad, guys. As you can see, the price continued to move up. This level was still broken through. This is where we made a profit. As you can see, I again correctly managed to predict the further price movement, and the indicator helped us in this. So, guys, meanwhile, I already have $3,000 on my deposit, and I propose to open one more deal for today. Just give me some time and we will continue. So, we have a resistance level at the top here. We also see that after the downward movement, the price turned around, and at the moment, green candles are forming. At the same time, we also see that the green histogram is being formed. The volumes for the increase are growing. In this situation, it's just opening a deal with a margin of 3 minutes up on an uptrend. It is more likely that the price will continue to move up in the near future, since the price here has also recently had the good potential for going up. At the same time, we took 3 minutes to spare, guys, taking into account a possible compression or rollback down. So I hope that consider everything this time will be totally enough. And guys, as you can see, there is enough space before the resistance level, so I hope that it will work out. So guys, let's wait for the result. It's not bad. As you can see, the price was in the correction, but after that the upward movement continued and strong green candles began to form. This is where we made a profit, guys. As you can see, 3 minutes was totally enough for us in this case. Also, the indicator in turn again suggests us a good entry point and helped us to determine the further price movement. I fulfilled my trading plan for today. Guys, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you were able to learn something new. I hope now you are more familiar how to work with Awesome Oscillator indicator, but don't forget, guys, that indicator is just an auxiliary tool of technical analysis and sometimes it can be mistaken. So don't forget to practice, because only through practice you will be able to accumulate your own experience and you will feel more confident in trading. And of course you will get more profit. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If yes, put a big thumbs up and also don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Also guys, I have a closed group where I'm sharing trading signals. These are my trading signals. If you want to get them super easy, text me a code word signal on my Telegram. All the links will be down below. I wish you to have successful trading sessions, more profit, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.